Imagine if all those hours spent gaming weren't just for fun but were actually making you smarter. What if the strategic planning, quick reflexes, and decision making skills you develop while playing games are helping your brain grow in ways you never imagined? Today, we are diving deep into the science behind gaming and its impact on your brain. Are video games the ultimate brain training tool, or are they just another distraction? Stick around to find out. Gaming has come a long way from being just a pastime or a hobby. With billions of players worldwide, video games have become a global phenomenon. But beyond entertainment, many researchers are asking an important question: can gaming actually make you smarter? While critics argue that gaming is a waste of time, emerging studies suggest otherwise. From boosting cognitive skills to improving problem solving abilities, gaming might hold the key to unlocking hidden brain potential. But it's not all sunshine and rainbows, there's another side to the story. In this video, we'll explore both the benefits and downsides of gaming from a psychological perspective. How games affect your brain. Memory enhancement, puzzle and adventure games often require players to remember maps, patterns, and objectives, improving working memory. Improved reflexes, action games demand quick reactions, enhancing hand-eye coordination and reflex speed. Problem-solving skills, strategy games push players to think critically, plan ahead, and adapt to changing circumstances. Emotional regulation, multiplayer games encourage teamwork and communication, helping players manage emotions like frustration or excitement. Do games boost your brain power? The idea of games boosting brain power isn't just a myth. Here's the science: neuroplasticity. Games challenge the brain, promoting growth and adaptability by creating new neural pathways. Attention and focus. Fast-paced games improve your ability to concentrate on multiple tasks simultaneously. Cognitive load management. Games train your brain to process large amounts of information under pressure, a skill useful in real-life situations. Creativity and imagination. Open-world and sandbox games encourage creative problem-solving and out-of-the-box thinking. Do games affect your mental health? Gaming has a dual impact on mental health. Negative effects: overuse can lead to addiction and neglect of real-world responsibilities. Competitive gaming can cause stress and frustration if not managed well. Positive effects: reduces stress and anxiety by offering an escape from real-life pressures. Builds resilience and a sense of achievement when overcoming in-game challenges. Does screen time affect your eyes? Excessive screen time, including gaming, can lead to digital eye strain. Symptoms include dry eyes, headaches, and blurred vision. Blue light exposure. Prolonged exposure may disrupt sleep patterns. How psychology works behind this. Reward systems. Games trigger dopamine release, reinforcing the desire to keep playing. Flow state. Games are designed to challenge players just enough to maintain focus and engagement. Social validation. Multiplayer games provide a sense of community and belonging. How to overcome gaming addiction. If gaming starts interfering with daily life, here's how to regain control. Set time limits. Allocate specific hours for gaming to avoid overindulgence. Identify triggers. Understand why you play excessively: stress, boredom, or escapism. Find alternatives. Engage in other fulfilling activities like exercise, reading, or hobbies. Seek support. Join support groups or talk to a therapist if gaming affects your mental health. Digital detox. Take a break from all screens to reset your habits. Overcoming gaming addiction. Gaming addiction is a serious issue that can have severe consequences on mental and physical health. Recognizing the signs of addiction is crucial to seeking help. Some common signs include difficulty focusing on tasks without gaming, neglect of social or work commitments, and feeling anxious or irritable when unable to game. To overcome gaming addiction, it's essential to take a gradual approach. Start by reducing gaming hours and substituting gaming with productive hobbies. Building a healthy routine that incorporates physical activities and regular sleep schedules is also vital. Real-life examples and case studies. Professional gamers and streamers often develop exceptional focus and reflexes. For example, a study on professional gamers found that they exhibited improved cognitive flexibility and problem solving skills. Scientific studies have also shown that gaming can have a positive impact on brain activity. A study published in the journal Cyberpsychology, Behavior, and Social Networking found that gamers showed increased activity in areas of the brain associated with attention and spatial reasoning. Future of gaming and brain power. Emerging trends in gaming, such as gamification in education and mental health therapies, are expected to have a significant impact on cognitive abilities. Virtual reality, VR, and augmented reality, AR, games are also being developed to enhance cognitive skills such as problem solving and spatial reasoning. The long-term effects of gaming on human intelligence and problem solving are still being researched. However, predictions suggest that gaming may play a significant role in shaping cognitive abilities in the future. Enhancing problem solving skills. Many video games, especially strategy and puzzle-based ones, require players to think critically and solve complex problems. Games like Tetris, Portal, or The Legend of Zelda demand creative thinking and logic to overcome obstacles. These activities engage cognitive functions like planning, organization, and strategic thinking, helping players develop the mental flexibility to approach challenges in the real world. Studies have found that players who engage with these games tend to show improved problem-solving abilities in daily tasks, such as planning or decision-making. Improving memory and information processing. Gaming has also been shown to enhance memory, particularly in the realm of visual spatial memory. Action-based games, like Call of Duty or Assassin's Creed, require players to process large amounts of visual data and make rapid decisions, which can improve how the brain processes and retains information. Additionally, the need to remember key details, such as patterns, sequences, or locations, boosts both short-term and long-term memory. The fast-paced nature of many games improves cognitive efficiency, allowing players to focus on multiple pieces of information at once, skills that are transferable to real-world multitasking situations. Boosting attention and focus. Video games, particularly those with high levels of engagement like action or role-playing games, can improve attention span and concentration. In games that require constant decision-making and reaction times, players must stay alert and focused for extended periods. Research shows that action game players outperform non-gamers in tasks that require sustained attention and focus. For example, action games like Halo or Fortnite can improve selective attention, helping players tune out irrelevant distractions and focus on the task at hand, skills that are useful for work, study, or other activities requiring concentration. Improving social interaction and emotional intelligence. Online multiplayer games provide an excellent platform for developing social skills and emotional intelligence. Games that involve teamwork, like Overwatch or League of Legends, require players to collaborate, communicate, and adapt to group dynamics. This fosters empathy, emotional regulation, and understanding, as players must navigate the emotional responses of both teammates and opponents. These games often simulate social environments where players practice negotiation, conflict resolution, and leadership. The ability to collaborate and communicate effectively in a virtual setting can enhance real-life interpersonal relationships.